vitally important. Our lungs play a crucial role in our overall well-being. They work round the clock, pulling in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. But despite their importance, lung health is often taken for granted. A myriad of factors contribute to lung health, including diet and hydration. Yes, what we eat and drink can have a profound impact on our lung health. Certain drinks in particular can aid in detoxifying and cleansing our lungs, contributing to their optimal functioning. Today we're going to dive into some of these beneficial beverages. We'll be discussing the top 5 best drinks for healthy lungs. These aren't just any drinks, they're backed by research and have been shown to have a positive effect on lung health. So, if you're ready to breathe easier, stay tuned as we explore the top 5 drinks for healthy lungs. Starting off our list at number 5, we have green tea. Green tea, a staple in many cultures around the world, is not just a comforting hot beverage. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants known as polyphenols that work to combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals, if left unchecked, can cause inflammation and damage in various parts of our bodies, including our lungs. By neutralizing these free radicals, the polyphenols in green tea help reduce inflammation, promoting healthier lung tissues. But the benefits of green tea don't stop there. Several research studies have demonstrated a correlation between regular green tea consumption and a reduced risk of lung cancer. This is likely due to the tea's antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help protect against the development of cancerous cells. So, next time you're reaching for a hot drink, consider green tea for its lung health benefits. Coming in at number 4, we have ginger water. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this spicy root? Well, ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders for your lung health. In an increasingly polluted world, our lungs can often bear the brunt of airborne toxins. This is where ginger steps in, like a reliable friend, aiding in the removal of pollutants from our lungs. It's like a mini detox session, right from the comfort of your home. Making ginger water is a breeze. All you need is some fresh ginger root, hot water, and a hint of honey for sweetness if you prefer. Simply steep the ginger in the hot water for about 10 minutes, strain, add honey to taste, and voila, you have a potent lung-cleansing elixir right in your hands. So, for a refreshing and beneficial drink, give ginger water a try. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is peppermint tea. Now, this is not just a refreshing drink to enjoy on a chilly evening. It's also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for our respiratory system. You see, peppermint is rich in menthol, a compound that has been shown to soothe and relax the muscles of our windpipe, allowing for easier and freer breathing. It's like giving your lungs a gentle massage. And who wouldn't want that? Scientific studies have backed this up, showing that menthol can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory ailments like congestion, coughing, and shortness of breath. This makes peppermint tea a fantastic choice for those looking to improve their respiratory health. But that's not all. The aroma of peppermint also acts as a natural decongestant, helping to clear your nasal passages. It's a soothing, warming sensation that really opens up your airways. So, to open up those airways, consider a cup of peppermint tea. At number 2, we have lemon water. Hydration is an essential player in maintaining our overall health, and when it comes to lung health, it's no different. When our bodies are well hydrated, our lungs can work more efficiently, making it easier to breathe and helping to clear out any unwanted substances. Now let's add a splash of lemon to the equation. Packed with vitamin C, lemons not only give a refreshing twist to your water but also supercharge your immune system. This potent vitamin is a known antioxidant that aids in neutralizing harmful free radicals in our bodies. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our lungs, helping to clear out toxins, and potentially reducing the risk of respiratory issues. So, while it may seem simple, lemon water is a powerhouse when it comes to lung health. It's a refreshing, tasty, and easy way to give your lungs the care they need. So, for a simple yet effective lung health drink, reach for some lemon water. And finally, at number 1, we have pure water. The champion of hydration, the essence of life itself, pure water. It's no secret that staying hydrated is key to maintaining overall health. But did you know that it's especially crucial when it comes to lung health? You see, our lungs are lined with a thin layer of mucous membrane. This membrane serves as a protective barrier, keeping out unwanted particles and pathogens. But for this barrier to function effectively, it needs to stay thin and fluid, and guess what helps keep it that way? You got it, water. By drinking plenty of pure water each day, you're helping to maintain the fluidity of this mucosal lining. This, in turn, aids in better lung function. It allows for easier breathing, more efficient oxygen exchange, and can even help to reduce the risk of lung infections. So, remember, nothing beats pure water when it comes to maintaining lung health. So there you have it, the top 5 drinks for healthy lungs. Let's do a quick recap. Starting off with green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants, it's a great way to detoxify your lungs. Next, we have ginger water, a spicy concoction that soothes the respiratory tract and boosts lung health. Following ginger water, we have peppermint tea, a refreshing beverage known for its ability to clear the nasal passages and lungs. The second to last is lemon water, a vitamin C-rich drink that aids in purifying the lungs and boosting your immune system. And finally, the simplest and most vital drink of all, pure water, the key to maintaining moisture in the lungs and aiding in overall detoxification. Incorporate these drinks into your daily routine. Your lungs will thank you. They're all easy to prepare and have numerous health benefits beyond just lung health. Remember, your lungs play a vital role in your overall health, so give them the care they deserve.